Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. After enjoying all those sweet delights from last month, I'm definitely feeling super satisfied. But I'm also feeling a few pounds heavier. So, for this month, I thought we would balance out our indulgences by returning to a second batch of videos for Junk Free January. For this month of January, we will be making 4 recipes that will hopefully help aid you in returning to a more balanced diet after all those sweet treats. For this week's episode, we will be making some creamy lemon chicken. For this recipe, you will need 4 chicken breasts or thighs, 1 can of light coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, zest and juice from 1 lemon, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, a third cup of fresh parsley, a third cup of Parmesan cheese, and some salt and pepper. First, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. While we wait for that to warm up, we'll prep the ingredients. For your garlic, roughly chop this up into pieces, and for your parsley, chop this up as well. And you will also want to grate your cheese at this time. Also, if you want to serve this with some rice, I recommend starting it at this time as well. Then, once the pan is hot, spray the pan with some cooking spray, pat dry your chicken, and then season it with salt and pepper, and then place it in the hot pan. Brown the chicken on both sides, about 5 to 6 minutes per side. Don't worry if parts of your chicken are still uncooked when you flip, since we'll be finishing it in the sauce later. So, once your chicken is browned nicely on both sides, remove it from the pan and set it aside so we can cook the sauce in the pan. When you're ready, add the butter and let that melt before adding in the chopped garlic. Let this cook for 30 seconds or so to become fragrant, and then add in the flour and whisk this together into a roux. Allow this to cook for 20 to 30 seconds to brown a little, then slowly whisk in the can of coconut milk. Once your sauce starts to simmer and thicken up, add in the lemon zest, lemon juice, Parmesan, and parsley, and mix everything together until combined. Then add the chicken back into the pan so we can continue cooking it. Simmer this for another 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is to your desired consistency. Then, once everything is to your liking, serve with some rice if desired, and with that, your creamy lemon chicken is ready to eat. Chicken is a great choice of protein when wanting to lose weight. It's relatively lean and has a lot of protein. But because of this, it has a relatively neutral taste, and it can get kind of boring if you make the same recipe over and over again. But thankfully, this neutral flavor profile makes it very easy to dress it with a variety of spices and seasonings. And so, that's why I wanted to share another delicious recipe for you to try if you're getting bored of the ones you've made before. Speaking of which, I actually found this recipe on Legion Athletics' website while searching for some new chicken recipes. This website is a really great resource for free nutrition and workout tips, as well as supplements, which you can get for 20% off if you use my referral link in the description. This recipe originally called for chicken breasts, but I decided to substitute it with chicken thigh. In terms of the nutritional difference, chicken breast tends to be leaner per ounce compared to the thigh, but because of this, it's a lot easier to dry out and has less flavor. But the differences are minimal enough to where the occasional thigh instead of breast isn't going to ultimately affect your macronutrient goals if you're wanting a little extra flavor for your chicken. That said, I would still recommend sticking to light coconut milk for this recipe if you're looking to cut calories, as the nutritional differences are a bit more apparent. Though, if you're looking to add more fat to your diet, you may use regular coconut milk instead. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if there's anything you want me to make next. Like the video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel.